What's up, everyone? If you're into action cameras, cinematic shots, or creating next-level content without a full camera crew, you're going to want to see this. Today, I'm testing out the Insta360X5, a waterproof 8K 360 degrees action camera that promises insane image quality, incredible low-light performance, and some of the smartest AI features I've seen in a camera so far. I've been using it in real-world situations, pushing it through different conditions, and in this video, I'm going to share my honest experience. What impressed me, what stands out, and whether the Insta360X5 is actually worth it. Let's get into it. After spending time using the Insta360X5, I can confidently say this is one of the most impressive action cameras I've ever worked with. From the moment I powered it on, it felt like a serious upgrade in both performance and versatility. The headline feature for me is the 8K 360 degrees video, and it absolutely delivers. Thanks to the dual 1/1.28 sensors, the footage is incredibly sharp, detailed, and immersive. Whether I'm filming outdoor adventures or everyday moments, the colors look rich, the dynamic range is strong, and the overall clarity is on another level compared to older 360 cameras. Low-light performance really surprised me. The triple AI chip design makes a noticeable difference, especially when shooting at dusk or indoors. Noise is well controlled, details stay crisp, and the footage doesn't fall apart like most action cameras do in darker environments. This makes the X5 far more usable in real-world situations, not just bright daylight scenes. One of my favorite features is the invisible selfie stick effect. Shooting everything in 360 degrees and reframing later feels almost like having a camera crew with me. The third-person angles look unreal, and there's no stick visible at all. Combined with AI-assisted reframing, I can choose the perfect shot after filming instead of stressing about angles while recording. The Insta-frame mode is another standout. When I want something quick and ready to post, I can instantly get a flat video with auto-framing or a locked angle, while still having the full 360 degrees footage saved for later edits. This is perfect for social media and saves a ton of time. Stabilization is rock solid. With flow state stabilization and 360 degrees horizon lock, the footage stays smooth and level no matter how intense the movement is. I've used it while walking, running, and during fast action, and it genuinely feels like a gimbal isn't needed at all. Durability is clearly improved too. The replaceable lenses give me peace of mind, especially when filming action sports. If a lens gets scratched, I can swap it out in seconds instead of worrying about damaging the whole camera. The build quality feels rugged and premium. Audio quality is better than expected thanks to the new built-in wind guard and 4 mic array. Voices come through clearly, even in windy conditions, making it great for vlogging and narration without extra microphones. Battery life is another big win. I consistently get close to the advertised 3-hour runtime, and fast charging to 80% in about 20 minutes is extremely convenient. On top of that, the camera is waterproof up to 49 feet without a case, which makes it perfect for travel, water sports, and underwater shots. Finally, the AI-powered editing in the Insta360 app is a game changer. With one-tap exports and automatic highlights, I can create polished videos without spending hours editing. For creators who value speed and quality, this is huge. Overall, the Insta360X5 feels like a complete, future-ready action camera. It's powerful, smart, rugged, and incredibly fun to use. If you're serious about 360 degrees video, creative freedom, and top-tier image quality, this camera absolutely lives up to the hype.